Why price is never the issue when it comes to selling. It just isn't. Not the number one issue. It's always second or third down the list. And let me put it to you this way. When you're interacting with a prospective customer, that customer has needs, they have concerns, they have issues, maybe they have some pain, they have some suffering. There's some problem that they're trying to solve, right? If it's a medical issue, a dental issue, maybe it's a car issue. The car or truck isn't operating the right way, right? If that's the case, sometimes their survival is at stake. Sometimes their life is on hold until they can get this problem solved. It's never about price. I don't care even if they ask for price. There's always a commitment that's above that. A commitment to live their life, a commitment to get their business on track, a commitment to eliminate some pain or suffering somewhere. So the most important thing for you as a business person, as a salesperson, the most imperative thing is number one, making a strong commitment to help them. Never go to price first. When you go to price where somebody says, how much is it, right, and you give them the price, what happens much of the time? Click, they hang up. Okay, I'll get back to you, thank you. We'll talk about it. I'll run it by my committee. We'll talk about it. Price is never the issue, trust me. It's always second or third or fourth down the list. We're gonna spend a lot of time on this in my program because it's a very important topic. The other thing is that the digital age has really screwed us up because people get hyper fixated on giving out pricing and information and technical data and all that, thinking that that somehow is magically going to have that customer come and work with me. That's not how it works. You make a commitment first to help them. You make a commitment to help them. That's the key. Price and all that other stuff is secondary.